Going to solve question number first. Cos alpha is 15 by 17 and we have to solve the value of cos 2 alpha. So as we know, cos 2 alpha equals to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So 2, and the value of cos alpha is 15 by 17 whole square minus 1. So 2 into 15 square 225, here is 289 minus 1. So if we take the LCM, that is 289, here is 450 minus 289. So 289 1091 1486 32 161. So value of cos 2 alpha will be this. Similarly, if we see the second sum, so sin 2 theta is upon 1 plus cos 2 theta, we have to prove tan theta. So if we take left hand side, then that is sin 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. So sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. I told you the formula, and here 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 cancel. Now it becomes 2 sin theta cos theta. Here 2 cos square theta can be written as cos theta into cos theta. So cos theta cancel, 2 cancel. Sin upon cos tan theta, and this is the right hand side. In the third sum, this is given tan theta is equal to b by a, and we have to prove that sin 2 theta is equal to 2ab upon a square plus b square. So as we know, sin 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 2, the value of tan theta is b by a, and here 1 plus b square upon a square. So that is 2b by a, and here a square plus b square upon a square. Now this cancelled out, and a will be in the numerator. So 2ab upon a square plus b square, and this is what we need to prove. Now if we see the fifth sum, this one, so in this sin square alpha minus sin square beta upon sin alpha cos alpha minus sin beta cos beta equals to 10 alpha plus beta, here we have to prove. So we will take the left hand side, and that is sin square alpha minus sin square beta, and here sin alpha cos alpha minus sin beta cos beta. Now in the very next step, we multiply it with 2 in the numerator as well as denominator. So 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus 2 sin beta cos beta. Now 2 is here. We know that the formula of sin square a minus sin square b, that is sin a plus b sin a minus b. So here sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta. Here the formula of 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. So here sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 beta. So again we will write the numerator. Now here we have to apply formula sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now these two cancel out. So here sin alpha plus beta sin alpha minus beta If we take 2 common, then 2 cancelled out. Alpha plus beta. Here sin alpha minus beta. Now these two are same, so cancelled out. Now sin upon cos 10. And this is what we need to prove. So this is our right hand side. Now in the fourth sum we have to prove cot a plus 15 minus tan a minus 15 is equal to 4 cos 2a upon 1 plus 2 sin 2a. So if we see the left hand side, so cot can be written as cos a plus 15 upon sin a plus 15. Similarly, this can be written as sin a minus 15 upon cos a minus 15. So when we take the LCM, so sin a plus 15 into cos a minus 15, and here cos a plus 15 into cos a minus 15 minus sin a plus 15 into sin a minus 15. Now cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is the formula of cos a plus b. So this is a plus b, and here we have do the multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Divide with 2. Now 15 cancel. So here 2 cos 2a. Now here I am going to apply the formula of 2 sin a cos b, that is sin a plus b, a plus b plus sin a minus b, a minus b. So this is plus. Now 2 cos 2a, here a sin 2a, and sin 15 plus 15 sin 30. So 2 cos 2a upon sin 2a, the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 cos 2a, if we take 2 LCM, so 2 sin 2a plus 1, then 2 is multiplied with here, so that is going to be 4 cos 2a. I am going to write 1 first, 1 plus 2 sin 2a, and this is what we need to prove. Now in the sixth sum, sin 3a cos cube a plus cos 3a sin cube a equals to 3 by 4 sin 4a we have to prove. So this is our left hand side, sin 3a cos cube a plus cos 3a sin cube a. Now the formula of sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a cos cube a plus cos 3a. The formula of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a sin cube a. Now we multiply this 3 sin a cos cube a minus 4 sin cube a cos cube a plus 4 cos cube a sin cube a minus 3 cos a sin cube a. These two cancelled out. Now 3 sin a cos a I am going to take common from this side. If you see, this is remaining and this is remaining. So if we take 3 sin a cos a common, so here cos square a and here from sin square a. Now we multiplied with 2 and divide with 2. So 3 by 2 into 2 sin a cos a, and cos square a minus sin square a is cos 2a. Now 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a cos 2a. So again we have to multiply with 2, divide with 2. Now so here this becomes this one 3 by 4. Now 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, sin 2, and what is the value of 2a? Here 2a. So 2 2 is 4a, 3 by 4 sin 4a. This is our right hand side. Now in this sum we have to prove tan A is equal to 3 by 2 tan B. Then we have to prove that tan A minus B is equal to sin 2B upon 5 minus cos 2B. This is what we need to prove. So see here, if I write tan A minus B, tan A minus B, the formula of tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now here tan A equals to 3 by 2 tan B minus tan B upon 1 minus 3 by 2 tan B into tan B. So 2 is the LCM, 3 tan B minus 2 tan B. Here 2 minus 3 tan square B upon 2. Now these two cancelled out. 3 tan B minus 2 tan B, only tan B. Here 2 minus 3 tan square B. Tan B can be written as sin B upon cos B. Here 2 minus 3 sin square B upon cos square B. Again sin B upon cos B, and here 2 cos square B minus 3 sin square B upon cos square B. Now this square cancelled out, and this B can be this side. So sin B cos B upon 2 cos square B minus 3 sin square B. Now we multiplied with 2 numerator as well as denominator. Now 2 sin B cos B, that is sin 2B, and 2 to the 4 cos square B, and 3 to the 6 sin square B. Here sin 2B, 4 cos square B minus 6, and sin square B can be written as 1 minus cos square B. So here sin 2B, actually have a look in the front side. The formula of tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So here should be a plus sign, plus 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 plus, again plus, and here is also plus. So sin 2B upon 4 cos square B plus 6 minus 6 cos square B. So here sin 2B, now this 6 minus 4 minus 6, yani 2 cos square B. Sin 2B, this 6 can be written as 5 plus 1, here minus 2 cos square B. Sin 2B, 5, if we take minus as a common, then 2 cos square B minus 1. So here sin 2B, 5 minus, this is the formula of cos 2B, and this is our right hand side. This is what we need to prove.